Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own the Google account. This prevents lockouts and keeps others out. Open a private browser and go to the Google sign-in page. Enter the email address or phone number exactly as registered, then choose Forgot Password if you don't know the password. Once done, Google will present verification options. Pick one you control. Make sure to use a device or phone number registered to the account so challenge steps succeed quickly. Next, you'll run the verification flow to prove identity. This is why recovery info must be current. Choose the phone or recovery email to receive a code, or use a previously saved backup code or authenticator app. When a code arrives, type it exactly and submit. If prompted, provide additional details like creation month or past passwords. These help Google confirm it's you. If a method fails, try an alternate recovery option rather than repeating attempts that might lock the account. Finally, set a new, unique password and sign back in. You can't view the old password, but you can replace it to regain control. Once signed in, review recovery email, phone, two-step verification, and authorized devices to prevent future access issues. If verification fails, follow the on-screen account support flow or retry after 24 to 72 hours when more identity signals may be accepted. A key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.